Hey YouTube, this is Carl Brooks, Detroit Love. Just got a package in today, and it's something I had pre-ordered originally, and then I canceled the pre-order because I'm like, man, you don't need all this stuff, and then I changed my mind, said I'm gonna get it anyway. So here it is, the Google Home Hub. So let's crack this thing open. Help at a glance, command your day, simplify your smart home, answers for any moment, relive your memories, make hand-freeze calls, enjoy your favorite songs. All the things I love to do. Alright. Let that slide on out. Hands-free help at home. Alright. Yeah, okay. That's a lot tinier than I thought it would be. That is tiny. What else we got? Let's get started. Be safe. Safety and warranty. Looks like we got our power plug here. Slide that out that way. Alright. Man, that is tiny. That's it. All you need is power. Nothing in there. Okay, so this is, I guess I imagined it'd be at least the size of a normal tablet, like an iPad mini or something, but it's much smaller than that. If I could get this tape off, I'll do it with my knife, since they're making this challenging. Couldn't box myself out of a paper bag, apparently. Alright. So, let's take a look at this guy. Got two microphones. Got the light sensor on the top. Got the off and the on switch there. Got a protective plastic over the screen. Little Google logo. And the power jack. As I say, the mic mute switch there. Okay. So let's get this guy plugged in. Let's get some power. Let's bring this down to size. Screen is pretty bright. Bring this down any lower, see?
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay. Let's just put this box here, make it a little taller. Still so bright. Get the app, it says. Okay. I already have the app. Except my phone is filming. I'll be back.
Thanks for watching this long. Stay tuned to the next video to see this baby in action. Thanks for watching.